wanna kiss you and I hate you and then leave instead. I wanna kill you, then I call you and say get in my bed. Been a full year now and we both know that it's bound to end, but kinda like just how hard it gets. So stay for the night, it'll bury the crime. Tell me a lie, it'll buy us some time. When I need you and you don't show up, you can get cocky when you want me and I say I'm done. Been a full year now and we both know it's not good for us, but we both love the smoke in our lungs. So stay for the night.